Hello friends, welcome to Technocrat CS Academy. In this series of DBMS, in last video we discussed file organization and types of file structure, sorted file, unsorted file, and span and unspan organization. Let's continue the further discussion of file organization with very important topic of file indexing or indexed file. In this video, we will going to discuss all basic concept of indexing. Many questions can be asked in university exam as well as in competitive exam also. So in this video, we will going to discuss what is indexing, why we are use indexing, and what are advantages, disadvantages of indexing. And later in further video, we will going to discuss one by one what are the types of indexing like primary index, secondary index, and cluster index. So let's start. Now what is indexing? Indexing is a data structure technique which allow to quickly retrieve records from database file. Now indexing is nothing but data structure, and it is technique or one kind of method which allow to quickly retrieve or it can be make fast accessing of records from database file, that is nothing but indexing. So basically indexing is nothing but data structure used to fast accessing of data or record. Now let's consider one example here. Now this is database file, and for example in database file there is a total 100 records. So in other word we can say there is 100 records or 100 lines. Now as we discussed in previous video, records stored into blocks sequence by sequence. Now we stored record inside the blocks, that means total there are 100 records and each block contains 10 records. Then the number of blocks required, that is total 10 blocks. Now this can make analogy with one storybook. If I have 100 line record, or for example if I have story of 100 lines, so instead of reading whole storybook I divide 100 records or 100 line story into pages. Now each page contains 10 lines, that is 10 records. As similar to our database file, it stores 10 records in each page or each block. So total we have 10 pages or 10 block, and it becomes storybook of 10 pages. So here data file or our storybook is our same thing. Only difference is that inside book we have pages and inside data file we have blocks. Now we have to access this file or we have to access records from this block. Now one question is arise here, whether we have to access this data file slow or fast. Obviously we have to make fast accessing. So accessing this data file fastly, we have here one technique, that is nothing but indexing. So we can make indexing for this data file for fast accessing of record. Now in the system there are huge amount of blocks or large number of blocks. So the searching time becomes slow or it takes more time for searching particular block from the system. Now one more thing is there, as we understood in previous video, there is sorted file and unsorted file. So this file may be in sorted form or maybe in unsorted form. Now let's understand the comparison between these two files. Now this is the main data file and this is the sorted file. So that means you can search record sequentially from record 1 to record 100. So as we discussed in previous video, we can apply binary search. While searching any record, we have to search first block, then we have to go to that particular record inside the block. Now once system got particular block, system can find or search particular record from that block very easily. So most difficult task is finding block, not record, because we can find record very easily once system got block. And here record are limited inside the block, but there is a number of blocks present inside the system. So once the system got particular block, system can find or search particular record from that block very easily. Now as we consider this file is sorted file, so we can apply binary search in terms of block, not record, because we have to find first block, not record. Now here in the case of there is a total block are 10, so it becomes log base 2 n, that is log base 2 10 is equal to 3.321. So that means what? For binary search or to find correct record, the system need to access maximum 3 blocks in worst case. So searching 3 blocks from system, it takes some times, though it file is sorted file. If we consider another case, that is if the file is unsorted, that is record are stored randomly, so in worst case system needs n is equal to, that is n is equal to 10 blocks. So system have to access all 10 blocks. So if the main file is sorted, you have to access 3 blocks in worst case, and if it is unsorted, then system have to access all 10 blocks. So this is all about the basics of indexing. In next video we are going to discuss structure of indexing in details. So till then, share this video with your friends, subscribe the channel and press bell icon so you will get latest update. Thank you.